Welcome to EUxplore. In this video we're going to show you how to use the Routes and Tracks map. On this page you can find routes and tracks which you can download to use on your mobile device or GPS. You will find the page on the top right of the menu under Maps. You can simply scroll through the map and zoom in or out to the destination you're looking for. Routes will pop up as you zoom in. When you see a cluster icon, it means there are multiple routes within this one destination. You can also select the category filter and select 4x4 trail, cycling route, hiking trail, kayak, mountaineering, mountain bike, overlanding, running, snowshoeing, or trail running. Different difficulty grades can also be selected. Below the map you will see the results of your selection. When you click on one of the routes, a new page will open with all of the details. You will see a rating as well as the category. You'll see the profile of the course, distance, difference in altitude, climbing and descending. This is where you can edit and see your own routes. Then you will see the description as well as the map. On the top left of the map, you can download the GPX and KML file to use on your GPS device or mobile device. If you want to share and upload a GPX route yourself, you go back to the map and click on the Add a Route button on the top right of the page. This will take you to the My Routes page. There you can click again. And that takes you to the screen where you can fill out all the details as well as upload the GPX file. Travel mode only applies when you manually select a route, but still pick the one that is most appropriate. After that, choose a correct category and difficulty grade. You can add possible tags and images. Then you select and import the KML, KMZ or GPX file which will show up on the map. We highly recommend uploading a proven and reliable GPX file. However, if you do want to manually add a route, please click on the instructions button and watch the video in order how to do so. To finish, please check off the terms and condition box and save. EUxplore staff will review and edit the route page if necessary before it goes live. Please help your fellow EUxplore community members and upload and share your favorite GPX routes. This way we can support each other's travels, adventures and exploration.